Hey everybody, this is JT Harris with ATSU ITS. I just wanted to put together a brief video real quick of the Parature overhaul that we've been working on so extensively as of late. So it's just to kind of give you an overview of Parature and what we're doing and where we're going with it. Ever since we began using Parature a few years back, we've only utilized the internal side of Parature called the service desk, which is where we go to access all of our tickets that are created either by one of us or an email that comes through the help desk at ATSU address. This is largely what we have come to identify Parature as, which is just the internal side, and really it's only half of what Parature has to offer. This is mainly because our previous after-hours support vendor, Presidium, built out the original Parature CRM desk. Now that we have our own contract with Parature and no longer rely on Presidium services, we have the ability to manage and maintain Parature entirely on our own. That being said, the service desk is just half the Parature services that we have available. So in addition to the internal side, we would also like to be using an external side which focuses more on our end users. Currently, the way we are set up is we rely solely on the email to ticket conversion system as our external side. The email to ticket conversion system is what we use to create the tickets from the emails that come in from students, faculty, and staff to the help desk at atsu.edu address. There's a few problems with the email to ticket system, mainly inaccurate data. We rely on the data generated from the emails to create the individual user accounts within Parature, and that's then tied into several actions like surveys and ticket statuses being among the most important. The goal is to have a friendly end user environment while also better utilizing the resources that we have available from Parature, and as a result it'll allow us to be more efficient in the process. So I've gone ahead and created a sandbox environment which will give you a sneak peek to some of the proposed changes on the internal side, and just as importantly, it'll allow IT as a group to beta test the new external side. A few things to note before we start. Please reference the email I sent for login instructions, and also the changes you're seeing here are just for testing purposes. They're not active, nor will they interfere with our live environment. Also, you will notice some slowness when you're using the sandbox environment because it is running on less server dedication, so you may need to be a little patient with it at times. And overall, the purpose of this video was just to give you a better understanding of Parature, where we've been and where we're planning on going. In the next video, I'll be giving a brief walkthrough on how to log in on both the external side and the internal side, and so you can explore the changes and features. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.